How to download YouTube Video 2023 easy. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to download YouTube Video 2023 easy. So if you want to learn how it sounds, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, you can just head over to your browser, search for YouTube right here, and you can see some videos that you can actually download. So for example, I want to download this video right here. Then what I need to do is to just click on the link, which is the URL right here, and copy that. Then after that, just paste it in here, and then just around after the YouTube button right here, or the YouTube word, you can add in pp, and then change the m to www, and then search for it again, and this will redirect you to y2mate.com, wherein your video is already logged in there, and you can just choose any quality that you want to download. So for example, for me, I want to download it on the 144 MB. So I can just click on the 144 MB and download it, and just click on download right here. As you can see, it is converting, and click on it and click on download, and we should be able to download that file. So as you can see, we have now successfully downloaded that video. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to download YouTube Video 2023 easy. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.